Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Verasity has broken out a triangle and also a very big channel as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at the next expected move and what can be our next expected target as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall my previous video with you that I shared almost 10 days ago with you, when I told you that the price line of Verasity can break out this triangle, and after breaking out this triangle it can also break out a big channel as well. And we can see that the price line broke out the resistance, and our target for this triangle after the breakout was approximately at 2.5 cents, and we can see that the price line has even rallied beyond the targets. And if I was telling you that if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here, then it was showing us the projection to very close to the resistance of this big down channel as well. And therefore, I was telling you that we can expect a breakout from this channel as well after, when we will have a breakout from the triangle. Right now, we have also broken out the resistance of this big channel, and this is the beauty of this breakout, that after the breakout, price line is retesting here the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and from here we can expect another reversal move towards the upside. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then here we were watching that we had a very strong support at 1.7 cents. The price line tested the support here and it geared up. And if I place the stochastic here on this weekly time frame, then we can see that the stochastic was giving us the signal that market of Verasity is completely oversold. And if I place the trend line here, where right now this stochastic was moving, then we can see the stochastic never goes below this line, and therefore it was another signal that from here we can expect a big reversal. So this breakout from the 4-hourly time frame chart triangle can trigger a very big reversal move on the weekly time frame chart as well. Now let's move back to this channel. Then here we can see that we have, if I place this trend line here where we have this accumulation below the candlesticks, then we have a very strong support here at approximately 2.6 cents. And you can see previously it has been using this level as a support here and as a support here as well, and here it worked as a resistance and here as a support. Therefore, right now during this accumulation we are also retesting the previous resistance of the this falling wedge, this down channel as a support, and also testing this very strong support of 2.6 cents. And above the price line we have a very strong resistance as well. We need to break it out, and you can see that we have a first rejection after this breakout from this 3.5 cents resistance approximately, and here it worked as a resistance, and here it worked as a support for several days, and here it worked as a resistance. So this time it can again work, it is working indeed as a resistance, and after breaking out this resistance of 3.5, we can expect that soon price line will hit this top of the down channel that will be approximately at 8.7 or 8 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.